Okay. Today we have... Are you filming? Okay. Today we have a Sword and Shield's Evolving Skies Elite Trainer box. It's the orange one because it's got Flareon instead of the Vaporeon, which is the blue one. So we're going to crack this thing open. This was donated to me by Lily. Thank you, Lily. Factory sealed. Get some packs out. Ooh, fresh packs. Fresh packs. Alright, we're going to do just one unboxing today on our channel. Bad TCG Unboxing. Shout out, like and subscribe. Comment in the video. Thank you. Alright, so our first one has some steel type Pokemon. I forget what's on the cover. Oh, nice. It's a white card. You know it's going to be something good, folks. Here's the code card. Alright, we got a Love Disc, a Fletchling, a Chinchou, a Petile, a Dinio, a Bagon. Oh, and we got Trevenant Envy, people. We got Trevenant Envy. Woo! Energy, Vigoroth, Dream Ball, and Dino's Revolve. Wow. Wow, that was a great unboxing, folks. Thank you very much. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and